Hello guys, so if you're looking to add contacts in your Gmail account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open a browser, then open your email account. Now, after that, click on this icon over here and go to contacts and click on it. Now, just simply go to the contacts tab. Now over here you will find all of the contacts that you have saved over here. Now over here you will have two options, create a contact or create multiple contacts. So if you want to create a contact list in which more than one person exists, so choose the second option, but if it is individual, click on the first option. I will choose the first. Now over here just simply enter the name of that person, the last name if you know, and any other detail if you know about that particular person, like company, job title, etc. Then enter the email of that particular person. Now after that, if you want to add a label or if you want to add the particular person in a group, you can add that by clicking on label, then add the label over here. You can also add the email address of the group that you want to add the person into. So if you want, you can do that. So after that, just simply enter the phone number if you have one, then enter the birthday details if you know. So after doing all of that, just simply click on save. And now if you go back to your contacts and search for it, you will be able to find the contact right over there. Now there is another way of add a contact in your Google account. So for doing that, go to your email. Now let's say you want to add someone from your email address as your contact now. For example, now just simply open the email of that particular person that you want to add. Let's say this particular one. So now all you have to do is just simply hover over its name. This type of box will pop up. So all you have to do is just simply click on this plus icon over here, which is add to contact. So click on it. Now after you've done that, this particular person have been added into your Google account. So if you want to check, just simply copy the name, go to your contacts and search for it. So as you can see, the contact is right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.